Shrimp. This is what he gets, shrimp. Okay, he gets shrimp. Hala, what is that? Ay, calamaris. And, hala. More bags. This is why you cannot go shopping.
I did go shopping.
Alahan, this is why you can't. So, ito yung binila niya mga loves. Meat. Okay. Look at this. Like we never have a meat. He act like we don't have a meat. And then cold guts. More cold guts. Oh my goodness. Ito yung sabi ko sa inyo eh. Kasi si Tami bawal talaga yung mag-grocery mga loves. Uy. Bawal na bawal. Oh, there's a chicken. And this is what I told him to get. The lettuce. And this is what he get. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh, more chicken.
Oh, chickens?
And hala.
People chicken?
I don't trust that.
You don't trust anything.
This one, he got shrimp.
But you're not growing your own chickens.
How many? Hala, there's more here. Oh, meat. Hala. Han, why you get a lot of meat? Our freezer, there's no space. Apple cider, like you don't have. You have money. And what is this? Garlic ranch. I like that. Okay, I'm doing the freezing. Yes, I'm doing the freeze one. Okay, can you put that? Another shrimp.
You want one out?
More shrimp. Okay, here.
You want one shrimp out?
Yes. Put it over there.
One?
Yes.
You want the
Yeah, get the calamari out. Well, this is refrigerated first. Because I don't want this.
I need one of these shrimp out too. Cocktail shrimp.
Okay. That's the freezing one. Right?
I want to make a beef stew with this.
Stew?
Yeah.
Okay, take one out. Put this. Hello, are you gonna put this like this in the freezer or a Ziploc bag?
No, I gotta put it in the bag. Beef stew.
Where's the potato?
It's in there somewhere.
Okay, put this in the refrigerator. Do the one in the freezer first. Then this one, take that out. So let's see what he got. He got more pasta, like we don't have none.
This is not a freezer one anyway.
That's not a freezer one?
No.
So...
You can bring the freezer ones.
we don't have freezer one.
Here we do.
I think it's in the basement. In the basement, love.
Yeah, this is storage.
In the basement. You know the basement thing where you put the filing thing? Let me look over here first. Nothing here. Okay, let me... The cat. Oh my god, Habs! No, that's for you. That's for you. Onion. And then... Oh my god, kami lang dalawa. How we can eat all this, Han, with just the two of us?
More than that.
Another cat food. Hala, another this. Hala, there's more meat. My god, Tommy!
Chicken thighs.
There's a lot of chicken in the thing. In the basement. What's wrong with you?
Lots of chicken for
Why you give me salmon?
Salmon, that's for you.
I told you I cannot trust anything, Han. I can't.
More potato.
Why you get more potato?
Because I got this one first, and I saw these were bigger, and you said big one, so I just...
What? Ay, naku, you have a problem, Han.
Yes, not for you.
Okay.
It's sandwich bread.
Oh my god. Now it's your problem. Now you have to put all the things. No shopping for you.
Done. Is this everything I gotta go down? Oh,
Yes,
chickens.
the chicken. Now you have to find space over there.
This chicken will stay up here.
Let me put these cold cuts here first. Oh, give one for the doggy. Take the one out for the dog.
What?
Chicken for the dog to cook. Put it there.
You just said you don't want to cook.
Because now I just took out the one that's...
You took one out of the freezer?
The freezer, the one I cook. So let me
You want the bag in the freezer, the one that's cooked?
No, it's already out,
Already
Han.
thawed out? Okay.
This is cold cuts need to be here. There's something wrong with you. You cannot go outside, hon. You can't go nowhere, anywhere.
I could. Clearly, I could.
Yeah. So now, good luck. Good luck in the basement.
Good luck.
There's no more.
Do we need a vinegar up here? We got vinegar downstairs. I don't even know.
Put that down.
This one up here.
Now you have a lot of food. So what are you gonna do? What's your plan? Give it to the dog, to the cat.
Watch how quick they know the plan.
Huh?
Watch how quick they line up. They know the plan.
Kakaloka naman itong asawa ko. Look, somebody's here, honey.
Imagine
Everybody.
that. Oh, here comes envelopes.
Every,
Now they're all here.
everybody's
Everybody's here.
Everybody's here. You know what, honey? How much you spent, hon?
$300.
$300? Oh my goodness.
But at least we got some meat this time. Last time we spent $300 and we didn't get any meat.
Because in the Walmart, we always get a lot of dog food, cat food. That's where we spend a lot. The animal
a lot
food.
Of stuff is for the dogs and cats. We still spend a lot on dog food.
Cook the left and the right. Hold them up high, softly and bright. Clap them softly. 1, 2, 3. And this is what you pay me by buying a lot of food. Dancing, Han. Dancing in the moonlight.
I don't think so. Here's my thing. They had the stew beef, which is generally chuck, which is really
It's
tougher
meat.
meat.
This one is not a chuck?
And this was $3 less a pound to buy it this way, and I had to cut it out in cubes myself.
So this is a chuck one.
No, it's not chuck. I don't like chuck, but yeah, I mean, chuck is okay.
Okay, so this is not chuck, so okay. You're the cutest one in the world. No. Alam niyo, sa dami kong nakikitang fake ngayon, ano na ako, paranoid. Ngayong araw mga loves, so nag-start ako dito talagang kailangan kong isauli itong mga ginamit natin kagabi. Pero ngayong araw, hindi ko talaga inaasahan na sobrang busy po namin sa kusina mamaya. Keep on watching mga darling, kasi itong asawa ko talaga, nakikita nyo naman yun. Nakita ninyo yung video na ang dami niyang binibili guys. Grabe, nagwala kami sa kusina ni Mister dahil nga ang dami naming niluluto. At talaga yung gusto niyang lutuin, hindi ko pa siya niluto talaga lahat. Alam niyo bakit? Kasi bukas ko na siya lutuin mga loves sa sobrang dami. But anyway, so yun, ito muna yung ginagawa ko sa samtang hindi pa ako nabibisi sa pagluluto sa kusina. Linis-linis, toothbrush, asikaso kung anong dapat asikasuhin sa umaga. And after that, mayroong package na dumating kasi nga nag-order si Tammy kahapon ng package. Dahil wala si Mister, may dumating na mga we have to make sure na sa amin talaga ito. Kasi paminsan yung mga delivery guy, yung mga package ng kapitbahay mapunta dito at saka yung package namin mapunta sa kanila, yun. So kaya we have to be careful of feeding, nag-order si Tammy ng Celtic salt. Hala, ang bilis naman ito. Fine ground. I think ito lang. Kanina lang niya ito in-order eh. Kanina or ang bilis. Ito yung gagamitin namin mga love, Celtic salt and refined mineral sea salt, hard harvested in France. Look, yun siya. And yun, nag-order talaga siya mga loves kasi talagang gusto niyang maging healthy. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, Tammy, please lang jud. Kinahanglan jud ka mag-healthy kasi usaon na lang ko, mag-ano dito sa iya. Ano na lang gagawin ko, no? Diba selfish? Hindi man yan selfish mga loves. Alam nyo, I did that just because gusto ko din ma-realize niya na meron din ako, no? Iiwan mo ako dahil sa nga wala kang pakialam sa health mo. Yun. Hala, kahapon lang niya ito in-order ba? Look, nag-order ulit ako guys ng kangkong po. Yun. Ito yung in-order ko. Same company, same non-GMO, easy to grow, non-GMO, high germination. Look, non-GMO po yan. And of course, bumili din siya ng wire. Kasi yung wire namin sa pag-charge ng cellphone, ano siya? Yung hindi magagana. Ano to? Connect more, power more. What is this? What the heck is he doing? Sabi ko sa kanya, fast charging, ano, gusto ko. Naku, si Tami, ba't hindi sinasabing fast charging ito, be? Bakit pula? Kaloka naman itong asawa ko. Dalawa. This one is 2, and this one is 1. So, I guess, meron tayong, meron tayong dalawang wire. Yay! Salmon. Bakit sobrang pula? Bakit sobrang pink? Comment down below mga loves kung normal ba ito. Ha? Comment kayo, comment. Naging paranoid ako sa dahil sobra kong nakikitang mga picky na mga pagkain, mga prutas or ganon, mga isda frozen. So yan, kaya ganito ako. Fake ba ito? No. Alam nyo, sa dami kong nakikitang fake ngayon, ano na ako, paranoid. Okay, soft pala siya. Hugasan natin. Wild caught daw ito mga loves, pero tignan nyo. Ang kulay nakakatakot. So, ang gagawin ko is ilagay ko siya sa oven. Ito yung pinakarason kung bakit gusto kong magtira sa Pilipinas for ilang months. Dahil sa mga pagkain, ang laking kaibahan. Sa Amerika, hindi ko na alam kung anong nangyayari dito mga loves. Ang dami ng mga pikit na pagkain. Dami. Sana maano ninyo. Ang dami kong nakikita. Sa kaka-cellphone ko, ako yung taong sa cellphone, pagising cellphone agad. Yan. Yan yung sinasabi natin na ay bahala na sa Batman. Butter. Yung my husband mga loves ba, it's kind of funny, it's annoying at the same time. I told him, don't put flour everywhere. He just flopped the chicken in the flour.
Flour power.
He just flopped the chicken on the flour.
Welcome to the 60s.
There's flour everywhere.
Flour power.
We're not a pizzeria here that you do the flour like this.
Flour power. All I gotta say.
And he's just laughing at me.
Yep.
It's not even cooking, love.
I know. But I can squeeze one more in there if I move them around. I'm just gonna flap it in flour first.
And be careful, love.
Flour power.
No, it's not. Why he started doing this?
Just because.
I'm cooking for our dinner, my loves. Cooking for our dinner.
Guys, I haven't had dinner in a week.
Han!
What was she talking about?
Han!
Ask her when was the last time she cooked. Ooh, guys, look at her face. Have her turn the camera around.
Han, honestly, Han, you are like the Han. Is that what you have in your mind and your heart and your soul? That your wife
I
doesn't
figured
cook?
if I'm hungry, I better start cooking.
I cook something. You ate it the other day. You were so happy.
What was that?
It's the beef and the potato and the celery, carrots. Seriously.
Yeah, it was beef ribs. It was all bones.
What is wrong with you, honey?
All bones.
And look at...
You're
You're the cutest one in the world, even you're annoying.
Somebody has to be annoying. That's my job.
At least,
And I do it well.
at least I cooked my salmon already,
There you
my
go.
loves. And he's cooking his own chicken. Han, you have to... I know.
I let it, look, I do it my way, you cook your way.
You need more oil.
I know that. It'll need more oil eventually.
Asa mang oil nito, Han? Wala may oil, Han. Okay, I'm gonna start cooking the thing now. How can I cook, Han, that you're over there?
I don't know. What are you cooking?
Our shrimp and our calamari. Nah, busog kaya. Mahirap talaga magpaniwang dito. Mahirap.
Well, you know they say, you snooze, you lose.
Kala ninyo tapos na. Hindi pa tapos mga loves. Hindi pa tapos. Calamari. Itlog po yung nilagay at gatas mga loves. Yung instruction, iba yung instruction mga loves. Ay, iba. Ang instruction nila is iba yung ano. Ano yun? Ay, ano yung gatas na nilagay nila? Ay? Ang ating salmon mga loves is ano ka lang, dinugmok-dugmo ko yung ating salmon kasi ayaw kong kumain ng salmon ng buo. And then, ayaw ko talaga yung parang hindi siya crunchy. So, kaya ginanito ko siya para naman maging ma-fry siya at crunchy no, at masarap. First time kong gumawa ng calamari mga loves. So, hopefully, masarap ito. Ito siya, kinukot ko na siya. So, first time natin ito. So, meron pa ako dito nilagay na olive oil. Olive oil po lang mga loves kasi wala talaga akong ano. Kaya konti lang yung oil nilagay ko kasi ang mahal ng olive oil. Wala po akong ano, vegetable oil. Uy, sus, nakalimutan kong magpabili ni Mister. So, yun. Masarap yung calamari na nuluto natin mga loves. Yung shrimp. Lahat naman nagustuhan ni Tami. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Busy talaga kami ngayon. Bye!